stronger and the onions turn transparent. And then you add the chicken and then saute until it's brown. And then you add the mushrooms. And now we add a tablespoon of white wine. And allow the alcohol to evaporate completely. And now we add the canned tomato, the tomato ketchup, the chicken flavor, and the herbs. And now we add the green peas. After the sauce begins to sizzle, you can add the rice. Break up the clumps of rice. And then you pour the egg in. And stir vigorously for 5 seconds. And then swirl so it will cover the whole bottom of the pan. And then it's half cooked at this stage. And now we add the chicken rice. And now we flip it over onto a plate. And then we put the baby salad greens. And the ketchup. Okay, so the chemistry explanations of my cooking recipe, Omurice, will be the rice, egg, and onion. When you heat the rice, which contains about 90% starches, the starch will absorb the water and will start to swell. The heat also causes the starches to break down into simpler digest sugars. Eggs are high in protein in both the egg white and the yolk, and the proteins are held together by weak hydrogen bonds. When you apply heat to the egg proteins collide with the water molecules, causing them to eventually break the weak hydrogen bonds that keep them curled up. This causes new chemical bonds to form, and these bonds will connect to other proteins, changing the egg from a liquid to a solid due to the heat. The heat will cause the water to evaporate, so the egg will become less of a liquid. When you damage the cell walls of the onion by cutting with a knife, it releases the sulfur compounds, which have a high vapor pressure, which then causes it to have a strong aroma. When you cook the onion, the heat breaks down the sulfurous compounds, which will allow you to be able to taste the sugar present in the onion. The heat also breaks down anthocyanin pigment, which causes color change. The onion will become mostly transparent. とっても美味しかった。